I'm in a 2011 Land Rover LR4, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your display language settings between English and a whole list of other languages. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this currently is, and then from here, you can go to your home menu, but make sure your screen's also on, which this should turn it on for you here. But from your home screen, we'll go to settings, and then under system settings on top, we should see languages, and then here there's a whole list of languages that you can connect to. So right now it's under UK version English, regular English. Let's say we want to do Spanish. We hit OK, and now it just auto updated everything to Spanish. Obviously I speak English, so we'll do this again to switch back to English. So this configuration button, and then this idioma here, we'll select that, and then we'll go back to English, and that's it. Auto save, so there's nothing else you need to do. Hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.